It called self-discipline. Watch out. He still a dig down in the chips. And you were a ball, he crying every day you want to lose weight and you dig down in the chips. And all me I say to you say, it called self-discipline.
So
watch out.
good.
Pizza on bed, watch out.
So good. I just couldn't do it no more. I was just tired.
I'm not understanding me, like, trust me. We have 5 days left. So when you do this now, what do you expect me to do? Draw your energy? You make a sad mistake, I'm not doing it. 5 days we have left.
But doesn't
May I say, after the 5 days we have left, we agree on July 5.
Babe, listen.
Me I say to you, so we agree on July 5th. After July 5th, we could have go buy pizza, we could have go get burger, we could have go get Boston pizza, whatever it is, we could have go buy KFC and eat it. We agree on that.
But I'm drinking the green juice, babe.
But when you chase it with this, the chips where you chase it with and pizza, what do you expect to happen?
Doesn't it just eat it away? It's ginger in it.
You don't understand what I say. But when I say to you, say, we make a decision, so we will go on 1 month diet. That's what I say to you, B. If I never care for you, I never certain way, trust me, I wouldn't even business with you eat that. I wouldn't even care about it. But because me care for you, like how I care for myself and care for my health, that's the reason. But remember, you know, you shed tears to me every night. I need to lose a bunch of weight. And me come up with a solution for it, which is not a work. And yeah, eat chips now. Like,
I couldn't do it. I just couldn't deal with the temptation. I just couldn't do it. And I just thought because if I had juice, it would it would kind of eat it, or like it wouldn't make me gain weight.
You see the thing when I try to show you, say you always the same thing when I talk to you and I say to you, say you always try to do something for kind of curve your mistake or your whatever you do. That's what you do, be. You always try to look for some form of escape route. There's no the green juice and that it will affect you. Because green juice, you have to just go green juice alone. If you have got green juice, that cleanse, you're actually cleansing. We all eat green juice and chips. The chips are going to outweigh the green juice to the amount of calories in this. And then there's something that we mean if you tell you. There's something that we mean if you tell you literally have 5 days. You see result. You literally have 5 days, babe. Come on now. And then what?
I feel so bad. I don't know why I did it, babe. I don't know why I did it. I just don't